Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to your Instagram story. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram and click on your story and select any picture. And then you need to click on the third icon in the top right. And then you need to click on music. You can select any music according to your choice and add into your story. You can browse also, you can search also if you want. So I'm going to select a random music from here. Okay, you can see that the music is now added. You can change the duration of the music. Once it is completed, you simply need to click on done on the top right and that music is added to your Instagram story. So this is the process by which you can add music to your Instagram story. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.